Monday. Thanks for tuning in. A couple of things. Today's video, I'm going to be doing one of those transfer swipes that I've done before. I'm going to paint over a existing canvas. I'm using the same colors that I did on the canvas. The reason why I'm painting over top of it is because the first time I did it, it's a little washed out. You'll be able to see it when I get you down on the canvas. So I'm going to use the exact same colors, the exact same technique, except I'm going to, instead of layering them in a ring pour type style, I'm going to almost do it like a bloom. And then I'm going to transfer it. So I think it's going to come out much better than the first one. The other thing is my previous video, I did some coasters or tiles. So I got this one. It's now finished with resin. This one here, beautiful. Hope you guys can see these. I know there's probably a glare from the resin. That one. I don't know if I showed you this one. This wasn't in the last video, but just different ones I've been doing, getting ready for my Christmas show. So if you like these pieces, let me know. They are available. They'll have cork backings and everything. All right, let's get down on the canvas and get started. I'll be right back. All right, guys. So what I've got here is I did a transfer. I did a swipe with like a ring pour on another canvas and then picked it all up with my palette knife and then swiped through. I like this and I like the color. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do it again. And this is already dried, so I'm just going to do it right over top of it. But I'm going to layer. I'm not even going to layer. I'm going to do it more like a bloom. I'm going to like bloom on another canvas and then transfer it over. Let's put out some white here. So I'm going to pour out some white here in the center. This deep sapphire. A brilliant blue. Turquoise green, purple, some fire opal. Now I'm going to put a dollop of white cell activator right on top of there. A little bit more. Let's do 2 dollops. Now my cell activator is titanium white from Amsterdam and Australian Floetrol. All these paints are just paint, gloss medium, and Floetrol. They haven't been thinned down with any water or anything. Now I'm just going to blow this out. pick this up. Pick up a little bit of this blue and green and red, get it all up under there. bring this down just a little bit. Let's just see what happens when I spin this out. It's gonna make a mess. All right, here we are with the wet result. So this is with the studio lights off. I want to see the difference, if it's going to look dull or not. But man, I love how this came out. It's almost kind of ribbon pour-like. You got those wavy lines. I was kind of worried about how I was transferring, but man, did it open up beautiful. Let me bring you in here. All right, so let's see this when it's dry. I'll be back. All right, here we are with the dried result. So I definitely like this orientation much better than having it horizontal. Let's go vertical with it. But I love the great lines that it's got. Love the negative space. Just beautiful. Start you up here. All right, guys, that's going to do it for the video. Boy, did it dry beautiful. I love the lines that I got through this. I didn't even get a lot of cells, which is really unusual because this was the Artist Loft Soft Body White, and I did use my cell activator. So you can kind of see them here, but see how it got stretched out. But that's what I like the most about it. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. And I could put it this way if I wanted to, but I think I kind of like it vertical. So you guys let me know how you think it should go. Should it go vertical or horizontal? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, thanks for tuning in. I will see everybody on Wednesday. Everyone have a great rest of the weekend. Bye-bye.